where we uncover the latest tech trends and hacks to help you make money online. Today, we're delving into a topic that's as exciting as it is innovative: how to use ChatGPT to make money. Yep, you heard it right. Stick around because we're about to explore some creative ways to turn your chat conversations into cold, hard cash. Segment 1: Mastering ChatGPT Basics. Before we dive into the money-making strategies, let's make sure you're well versed in the basics of ChatGPT. We'll cover how to initiate conversations, navigate the interface, and utilize the full potential of this powerful language model. Segment 2: Content creation and copywriting. One of the coolest ways to make money with ChatGPT is by leveraging its content creation abilities. Whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or copywriter, we'll explore how ChatGPT can assist in generating engaging and persuasive content that clients are willing to pay for. Segment 3: Virtual assistants and customer support. Did you know that ChatGPT can also serve as your virtual assistant? We'll discuss how to use it to handle routine tasks, answer customer inquiries, and streamline your business processes. Time is money, and ChatGPT is here to help you save both. Segment 4: Creating chatbots for businesses. Businesses are always on the lookout for efficient customer support solutions. We'll guide you through the process of creating and selling chatbots for businesses using ChatGPT. Learn how to tailor them to different industries and watch your income soar. Segment 5: Tutoring and consultation services. Are you an expert in a specific field? ChatGPT can be your virtual classroom. We'll explore how you can offer tutoring or consultation services, sharing your knowledge and expertise with others while earning a steady income. Segment 6: Unique ChatGPT products and services. Get ready to think outside the box. We'll discuss how you can create unique products or services utilizing ChatGPT. From personalized poetry to custom story writing, there's a market for unique and creative offerings. Segment 7: Monetizing ChatGPT conversations. Last but not least, let's talk about monetizing the conversations themselves. We'll explore platforms and strategies to turn your ChatGPT interactions into a revenue stream. It's a whole new world of possibilities. Conclusion. And there you have it, our guide to turning ChatGPT into a money-making machine. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or someone with a unique skill set, ChatGPT opens up a world of opportunities. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech hacks and money-making insights. Until next time, keep chatting and keep cashing in. Thanks for watching.